My name is Janet Lugo. I am the director of St. Stan's Outreach Program. We are a little bit of Sylvan and a little bit of Boys and Girls Club. We have education because our children, we don't want them to regress during the summer months. They have 8 weeks of math, reading, and vocab. And believe me, the vocab is not easy. And then we have the recreation of cheerleading, dance. We have art, we have basketball, we have kickball. We do a little bit of everything. We go to the parks, we go swimming. This year we only have one field trip, but it's a wonderful field trip to Six Flags Great America, thanks to the foundations of East Chicago.
Hello, my name is Detective Will Askew, Jr. I work with the East Chicago Police Department. Been an officer there for 16 years, and I'm currently in the Gang and Narcotics Division. Today I'm here at St. Stan's and with the East Chicago Foundation, and over the summer we've been working on a bullying class and working with all the youth from East Chicago and probably our adjoining cities and talk about bullying, trying to learn the interventions of bullying, how to identify bullying, recognize bullying, and even most important, stop bullying. The goal that we want to accomplish here, dealing with the bullying program and the East Chicago Foundation, is that we want to educate young kids, families, and adults on bullying, recognizing bullying, how to stop bullying, how to recognize it, not only in the school system but outside or in just a daily atmosphere of what you're doing. And a lot of our kids, young kids, do not know how to deal with bullying, and some hurt themselves or go in deep depression and don't understand how to work with their feelings when they're dealing with people that bully them. They keep walking with you and picking on you. Find an adult and say, you know what, hey, have this guy, girl, whoever, bother me, can we do something? And I'm pretty sure one of the adults will be able to, because somebody's going to go get hurt, unless in that case, that person got suspended from school. That means he can't come back. Okay? So it's always a situation like this. They've been at a party and a fight broke out. Yeah? Was there supervision there? No? Probably not. What about you?
This year, for our program at St. Stan's Outreach, we focus on bullying. And one of our activities for the program, we had each child to carve their own hand with cardboard and make a pledge to not bully during this 8 weeks program.
My name is Joel Vences and I am 11 years old. The things that I have learned this summer from this program is stop bullying, being respectful to others, and the golden rule, treat others the way you want to be treated, and just getting along with people.
My name is Jose Luis Cabral and I am 9 years old. I have learned that bullying is very bad, and if you see it, you must help somebody, and this is a place to learn, so if you have trouble during the school year, they can probably repeat it here and you'll probably understand it more.
My name is Alexis Riddle and I am 9 years old. It helped me because when I go to my school, if people start bullying, I could tell them to stop and why to stop. When people are being bullied, you should try to help the person stand up for themselves. If the bully don't stop, that you should probably tell an adult. We learn vocab, math, and reading. And
the kids are learning a lot. We're very proud of the program. They learned a lot. They learned how to recognize bullying. We've stopped bullying. We're hoping that the kids that we work with over the summer become ambassadors, so when they go back into their school system, they'll be able to recognize bullying and be able to stop bullying, because that's where it starts. You got to know where it starts to be able to end it. So we're trying to educate the kids, and we're doing a great job to educate the kids, so when they go back into the school system and they're going back into the home, they're able to recognize bullying in all different levels, not only from verbal, mental, but even through the websites and Facebook and that type of thing, to be able to identify these entities, and then being able to be able to stop them, to be able to tell their parents, to be able to tell somebody of authority figure, to be able to recognize so we can stop them.
The bullying workshop was very important, especially for here in East Chicago. Over the past couple of years, I've watched children being bullied on the streets. And last year I just said, it's time that we have to do something. This was important for me so that children can be informed about ways to stop it, ways to ignore it, ways to tell somebody, inform someone. It's a hidden secret. A lot of children go to school and come home and not tell their parents or any adults anything about what is happening to them. This was important. I actually would like to thank the foundations of East Chicago. This year our attendance was very, very low. And if it wasn't for the 15 scholarships the foundations of East Chicago allowed us, we would have closed our doors this summer. We would not have this wonderful program to bring to East Chicago. So thank you, Foundations of East Chicago.